Hey guys, I'm with Roy, CubanCigarsIndonesia.com. We bring you today to the humidor. This is in our office, and I'll show you our stocks. So first of all, this is a Partagas Grand Reserva Lusitania 2007. The box is numbered and very difficult to get, very rare items and in very high demand these days. I'll take you around. So yeah, as you see, this is our shelf. We have all the selection of the Cuban cigars. These are the Cohiba. We have the Behike 56, 54, 52, all the variant of Cohiba Behike. We have the Limitada Cohiba 1966, 2011. And we have a lot of Monte Cristo. We have a lot of Partagas. This is Partagas Serie D number 4. Partagas Serie E number 2. Still have some more stack of the Partagas Serie D number 4 hidden over here because not enough space. And we have Partagas Super, Partagas Salomones, Partagas P number 2 tubos, and here's some limited edition as well. This is Partagas Serie C number 3, 2012. We have Cuaba. So this is Cuaba Salomones, Cuaba Edition Limitada 2008, Cuaba Piramides. We have this very rare item, Monte Cristo Sublimes 2008, still in very good condition. This is very hard to get cigars these days because I think no more left in the worldwide stock. Only few traders still have it. Fortunately, we have 2 boxes left for the Monte Cristo Sublimes. Yeah. We have Romeo Duke 2009, also in a good shape. See, 2009. These very good cigars as well. And beside the Limitada and the regular production cigars, we have the what we call Edition Regional. This is a Por Laranaga, Italia. Small Robusto, very nice bend. As you can see, all the special production cigars usually have a double bend. This is the exclusive for Italy. It has a very good smoke. The box is numbered as well. We have here Bolivar Asia Pacific Edition Regional. We have, this is a very new Edition Limitada from Hoyo de Monterrey. Hoyo de Monterrey Grand Epicure. This is box of 10. This is a good looking cigar with a big ring gauge. With a nice bend. This is just released. In a good condition. here the Juan Lopez Suprema UK, you know, with the sticker here. EMS is means from UK. This is the box number. This is July 2009. This is very good smoke as well, very good quality cigar. And beside that, we also have the quite old, this one, Hoyo Regalos, the edition limitada 2007. This is not full box. Yeah. It's still sealed. The box is sealed. July 2007. As you know, cigars, the older it gets, the better it smoke. It, you know, it tastes more smooth. There's no harsh in it. This is a Bolivar Petit Bellicoso 2009. I think it's still sealed. Yeah. Yes, it's sealed. September 2009. And this is a new production cigar again. Montecristo Double Edmundo. This is just released, but this is not limited edition. This is a regular production cigars. But there comes a new band. The band is different with the regular Montecristo. Okay, so basically that's all our Cuban cigars. This is a Romeo y Julieta, so famous Romeo y Julieta. You know, some Trinidad, Ed Chapman. We have the edition regional, and we have the limitada as well. We have Hoyo de Monterrey. We have Hoyo de Monterrey Double Coronas. Very big cigars from Hoyo de Monterrey, the famous one. Hoyo de Monterrey Double Corona. This is 2013. We have the low-end cigars as well. This is the Jose El Piedra Cazadores. These are Cuban cigars, but it comes in a very economic price. It's not expensive at all. And we have here Filiger. It's from the tobacco is basically from Indonesia, but it was made in Europe. And we still have here the Montecristo. We have here the Montecristo. A lot of selection of Montecristo and some Dominican Republic cigars, some local cigars. This is a Wismilak cigars. This is Indonesian made. This is also Indonesian made cigars. This one also from made in Indonesia. Dos Hermanos from a Jarum company, a cigarette company. So basically, in Cuban cigars in Indonesia, we carry all kind of cigars, you know, from Cuba, Dominican Republic, and Indonesian cigars, and we always kept in a good humidity. Can take in a good temperature as well. So besides all of the cigars, we also carry the mini cigarillo, you know, from Filiger. This is from Jarum, locally made, gold seal. This some of the mini cigarillo is flavored. We have the espresso and the vanilla, and we do have the pipe tobacco. This is tobacco for the pipe. We imported from STG. This is a Wallarson, the best-selling one. I think that's all. You've seen all of our inventory here in the warehouse. This is one of the humidor in Surabaya in Indonesia. We have more in Jakarta, something like this. You know, this is the Cohiba Club. So you see our stock here. So enjoy life, smoke cigars.